All right, y'all. Welcome to Texas. The house you'll be staying in is not too far in these woods, but I gotta head back home. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the path and you're gonna hit a left at the fork. That left is gonna take you right to the house, okay?
Okay. What if we have to go to the bathroom?
The woods is your restroom. All right. Me and my boy gonna be leaving you now. Come on, Clarence. Get out of here. You will.
Was it a left at the fork?
A what?
A left at the fork.
Hey, you'll figure it out. See you later, boys.
It's a left. He's getting around.
Did that guy say the nature was our bathroom?
Yes, like, who does he think we are?
Okay, so it was definitely a left at the fork. Oh. How long is this gonna be?
I know, it's getting hot out here, though.
Alright, well, he said to go left. But before we go left, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay, meet me back here.
Yeah, I'll go to nature, I guess.
Okay.
Walking on the fighting side of me.
On and on and on.
Wait,
Shit! It was a right at the fork.
I thought it was straight.
Well, shit.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Kingsland?
Shit. Miss, wait. Miss, he was left at the fork.
No, you go straight.
No, it's right.
Listen, it's getting dark. Let's just get back to the house. Where's your friend at?
We can figure it out tomorrow. Where's your friend? We'll get you back. Where's your friend?
I went to go take a piss, and then I don't know
Which
where
way to
he
go?
went.
Where'd he piss?
Over there.
That's the Hewitt house.
Oh, shit!
Do you see him?
I don't see shit.
Oh.
Shit. All right, go get the girl. I'll take care of him.
Oh,
Get her
good
out
luck,
of
brother.
here.
Good luck, brother.
Yeah, come on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Come on, get to the car. Get to the car. Let's go. Let's go. You did good there, buddy. Keep it up now.